Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07384813882, and today we have a 2009 Holden Cruze CD sedan, stock reference number 4572. This shape runs from the third month 2009 through to the second month 2013. It has an FWD D4 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic or front-wheel drive transmission. FWD D4 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, does have light sun cracks. Radiator grille, left-hand headlight, also light sun cracks. Left guard has a couple of dents. This vehicle's fitted with 16-inch steel rims. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror does have a little bit of peeling on the base. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door has two small dents. Left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Yeah, the left-hand tail light does have a couple of little scratches. Left tail boot lid garnish. Boot lid has two small dents. Right boot lid garnish. Right tail light also has one small scratch. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. And a right front door has two small dents. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black and grey cloth interior. It's got a black vinyl centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, display cluster, top glove box, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and we also have the rear headrests and seats. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.